Cloud data processing. In recent years, cloud computing has become increasingly popular as a means of storing and processing data. However, concerns over the security of data on the cloud have been raised, leading to a need for research into the security of cloud data. One study conducted by the Cloud Security Alliance, CSA, found that data security was the primary concern of organizations when it came to cloud computing. The study surveyed 241 IT and security professionals from a variety of industries and found that 73% of respondents were concerned about data security when moving to the cloud. The study also found that the most common security concerns were related to data privacy, data loss, and data breaches. Specifically, respondents were concerned about the risk of unauthorized access to their data, the possibility of data loss due to a cloud provider's system failure, and the risk of data breaches due to cloud provider security vulnerabilities. To address these concerns, the CSA recommended several best practices for securing data on the cloud. These included: 1. Encryption. Data should be encrypted both in transit and at rest to prevent unauthorized access. 2. Access controls. Access to data should be restricted to authorized users only, and access controls should be implemented to ensure that only those with the appropriate permissions can access sensitive data. 3. Data backup and recovery. Data backup and recovery plans should be in place to mitigate the risk of data loss due to system failures or disasters. 4. Security monitoring. Cloud providers should monitor their systems for security vulnerabilities and respond quickly to any security incidents. 5. Security training. Organizations should provide security training to their employees to ensure they are aware of best practices for securing data on the cloud. Overall, the study highlights the importance of data security on the cloud and the need for organizations to take steps to protect their data. By implementing best practices such as encryption, access controls, data backup and recovery, security monitoring, and security training, organizations can mitigate the risks associated with storing and processing data on the cloud. Processing data on the cloud involves utilizing the computational resources of a cloud computing platform to perform data processing tasks. Cloud computing platforms provide access to scalable, on-demand computing resources such as processing power, storage, and networking, enabling organizations to efficiently process large volumes of data without having to invest in costly on-premises infrastructure. There are three main layers involved in processing data on the cloud. 1. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. The IaaS layer provides the basic building blocks for processing data on the cloud, such as virtual machines, storage, and networking. With IaaS, organizations can quickly provision and scale computing resources to meet their data processing needs. 2. Platform as a service, PaaS. The PaaS layer provides a higher-level abstraction of the underlying infrastructure, offering pre-configured computing environments for specific data processing tasks. PaaS platforms typically include tools and services for data processing, such as databases, data pipelines, and machine learning frameworks. 3. Software as a service, SaaS. The SaaS layer provides complete, cloud-based applications for specific data processing tasks, such as data visualization or business intelligence. SaaS solutions typically require minimal setup and configuration, enabling organizations to quickly start processing their data. Processing data on the cloud also involves several key considerations, including data security, data privacy, and data governance. Organizations must ensure that their data is secure and protected from unauthorized access, while also complying with regulatory requirements such as GDPR or HIPAA. To address these concerns, cloud providers offer a range of security and compliance services, including data encryption, access controls, and compliance certifications. Organizations can also implement their own data governance policies to ensure that their data is processed and stored in accordance with their internal policies and regulatory requirements. In summary, processing data on the cloud involves utilizing the computational resources of a cloud computing platform to efficiently process large volumes of data. The IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS layers provide different levels of abstraction and pre-configured computing environments to suit the needs of different data processing tasks. Organizations must also consider data security, privacy, and governance when processing data on the cloud.